personnel de sujet.
Oui,
De sujet.
the sujet.
C'est bien ça.
So today we will learn French about les pronoms personnels de sujet.
Yes! It is very easy and very useful because you know the subject, the pronoun, we use them every day. Every time we say a sentence, we always use them. So it's very important here. And it's pretty simple. Actually, you know, we use these every day. At every sentence, we always use them because it is the pronoun. And every time we want to conjugate a verb, we need the pronom personnel de sujet. It's very important. So let's not wait. And allons-y. Oh, so we will compare with the English, so it's easy for everyone. Allons-y.
Oui.
I,
Je,
you,
tu,
he, she, it.
il, elle, on.
On is a little bit special. In French, on usually exclude the person that speak. Also, on can replace any pronoun like very popular in Quebec. On will replace nous. Example, lorsqu'on va au cinéma, on regarde un film. So on replace nous. But yeah, on is very popular ici, but we will go more in detail. We don't want to confuse you. But on is always third person of singular, just like il, elle. We,
Nous,
you,
vous,
and finally, they.
il, elle.
Facile?
C'est facile. I want to tell you about they. So they in French there are two, il and elle. Il if it is all men, and elle if it is all women.
That's right. And maybe just a small detail. If there is many people and it is men and women, it will be il. So elle is only if all women. And il can be only men but can also be a mix of the two. So, comme ça.
Oui.
So one last time. So I will repeat very slowly. Please repeat after me. So I will begin now. 1, 2, 3. Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous et il, elle. Peut-être qu'on va jouer un petit jeu. Let's do a small game. I will test you at home. It's easy. We already learned the pronom personnel. We try to repeat them a few times. So let's play a game. I know. We'll do a small game. It will be very fun. More fun than Mario. So I will ask you a question and you just tell me what is the good pronoun. Okay. Pouvez-vous me donner, can you give me the first person of pluriel? La première personne du pluriel. Allez-y. Pardon? Oui, c'est ça. C'est nous. Première personne du pluriel, c'est nous. Bravo. Maintenant, j'aimerais avoir la deuxième personne du singulier. the second person of singular. Allez-y. Take your time. Deuxième personne du singulier. Donc, yes, c'est ça. C'est tu, you, mon travail. Maintenant, question piège. Pouvez-vous me donner la troisième personne du pluriel au féminin? The third person of pluriel féminin. S'il vous plaît. La troisième personne du pluriel au féminin. This one is a little bit tricky, huh? But you can do it. Pardon? Oui, elle. Elle avec un S. Bravo.
So we in English we say we. In French we say nous. We, nous and on. There are two. So usually nous is when we write. When we write we say nous. We write nous. But on it's usually when we talk. When we talk we say on. But there is exception in on. It's like it means like people. So example when we were kids.
Yeah. We eat a lot of chocolat. Lorsqu'on est jeune, on mange beaucoup de chocolat. We use on because it is the young people in general. We are very general. But also on can be replaced by nous if we know who is the subject exactly. Like example, someone is asking me and my wife, they ask us, what are you eating? And then I will reply, on mange de la salade. So we know that we're talking about us. So instead to say nous mangeons de la salade, I just like formal and I say on mange de la salade. On is still troisième personne singulier, but you can use on to replace nous. It's pretty popular when we're speaking, but for now, please don't worry about it. Just focus on je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il. Bon travail.
Okay. One last. Okay.
En même temps?
Just one last to
okay.
répéter.
Oui.
Pour répéter.
On répète ensemble et en même temps?
On répète. I will say the words in French and then you see my pronunciation, okay? So like I, je,
Je,
you, tu,
tu,
he, she, it is il, elle, on.
il, elle, on.
We, it is nous.
Nous,
You, it is vous.
vous.
And they, it is il, elle.
Il, elle.
Yay! Bravo!
Oui, that goes bang.
Okay, today we just learned the simple as that, okay? Like the subject in English, it's very important because in daily conversation we always say subject, I, you, we, they,
C'est vrai.
he, she, it, so it is very important, okay? But then the next video, it is we learn French about secret.
Right.
So if you want to know, you follow us. Yeah, subscribe to our channel and like the video. It's help us to make the video about learning French,
Yeah.
so you learn French more.
Ouais.
Okay. Okay, it's today. It's
C'est tout?
oui,
C'est tout pour
today,
aujourd'hui.
Oui, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui.
Ah oui.
Okay.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you for watching.
Oui, oui.
See you in the next video.
À la prochaine.
À la prochaine.
I will say it very fast this time. Sometimes it's funny to say it fast and it's good for the memory. Donc, allons-y. Je, tu, il, nous, vous, il. Je, tu et nous, vous, il. Je, tu et nous, vous, il. C'est facile. Encore une fois. Je, tu, il, nous,
Nous,
vous, il. Maintenant le sprint. Je, tu et nous, vous, il. Allons sprint. Je, tu et nous, vous, il.